Yeah, when you think about the marketing side and the print shop that's right here with Lil Bubba, so many vendors out there, you can get equipment. But that side of things, completely on you. So having that right here in-house with expertise, knowing what works for other curbers out there, right? And what maybe didn't work so well, and having that advice, great to have.
Preston Thiel from Eden, Ohio. Right now we're doing lawn care, landscaping, snow removal.
I'm Devin Niemeyer. I'm from Upper Ohio, small town. I work for the village over there, the water sewer department, and I just help him out on the side.
Yeah, so my name's Corey Willis out of Troy, Alabama. And we've got a lawn care landscape company that's about 5 years in, doing really well, but looking to augment our service offerings.
I'm Taylor Louts. I'm a spark driver for Walmart. I'm from Bentonville, Arkansas.
I'm Christopher Louts. I'm actually an automotive associate. I've been with Walmart for 24 years and just looking for something different finally.
Yeah, the big reason for us and why we chose Lil Bubba over others out there, what I've personally researched from the technology in it and using the plunger design versus an auger design, it just seemed like it was going to be the better choice for us.
I think it's been a great experience. As far as the marketing goes, we definitely learned a lot of valuable knowledge that way. My favorite part was the hands-on with Carl. We definitely learned a lot of new techniques, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, the Moroccan is very interesting. It's got a great look to it. Even what we did yesterday with the stamped and kind of the more traditional curve, it looks great. But the Moroccan, it just gives a whole nother avenue to the offerings that you can put out there. Having that natural look, that's just going to be a really great offering.
I already want to put some in front of my house.
So much easier than the stamp.
I'd do our whole neighborhood in that if I could.
For real.
No lie, that looked amazing.
Like, cuts like half the time down, for sure.
It's worth the money.
Totally worth it.
Honestly, because just what we did today, we did, 8 different stones in a matter of 2 hours.
Couple hours, I mean.
You're making your money back already on just that one job. And then if you maintain your stuff and take care of it.
Good opportunity to make easy and quick money.
Hey!